Are you a realtor? Do you want to sell more homes? Then you should use video. According to Inman.com, more than 90% of home buyers use the internet when searching for their dream home. Top agents use video to generate 403% more leads than agents still using the old-fashioned ways of prospecting. In fact, only 4% of all realtors use videos to sell homes, but these agents are making massive sales. For less than $100, you can turn your boring text and image listing into a beautiful motion video with sound that will wow home buyers and attract home sellers. To you. To get started, call 405-276-4433 right now.